This is a what's on my fridge plus breakfast, typical breakfast. So let me show you here. This is a typical pre-workout or post-workout meal. 3 eggs made with butter, cardia pancakes, which is 220 calories, 15 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs. We don't give a fuck about that. So there it is. I make it with milk, and then I use the regular, original, not light or zero sugar. I might use that, but I don't have it with cinnamon. And I take vitamin D. Before I show you what's in my fridge, let me show you that I don't got no supplements. And I have regular shit like regular motherfuckers, cookies and shit like that. The only subs that I have is creatine and some sort of pre-workout, which just sucks. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing else on this shit. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else. Now, I do take supplements, creatine pre-workout, maybe protein powder, but they not the whole shit. It's just something that you take supplement. So that's the breakfast. Protein pancakes with eggs made with regular ingredients. Now let's go into the fridge so you can see because I talk about a lot flexible eating for busy people, and I want to show you what I have in the fridge. Plus, I have kids, so we have a lot of milk. I don't drink milk, to be honest. This is for my kids. So milk, juice that I don't drink. My favorite drink, Diet Coke, because it's 0 calories. I don't use this shit. Only ketchup, eggs, protein, right? Then fruits, mainly for my kids, but I do eat it. Um, Chicken, more protein. Beef. Uh, we got some peppers, some sort of vegetable, I guess, and we have a lot of onions there. We have bacon, ham to for making sandwich, which is fucking good, and a couple of cheese, right? Um, then here we have the butter that I use is this one, salty. You should be eating salt. A lot of people talk about they don't eat salt. You don't have a problem, brother. And then more beef, so quite a bit of protein. And then here we have bullshit for my kids and fries. You eat fries. Everything you can track it. That's the key. You know what I mean? And we have some salmon, which is the mother. You like this shit. They good. I don't eat it like that. We have shrimps. Shrimp. So that's what's on the fridge. Then we turn this way, turn around this way. We have some more. We have potatoes, bananas, bread. Oh, you put the shit on me. Put the shit on the shit. And this is some chicken arrow that you wanted to try. And I'm gonna try. And yeah, man. Oh well, this side I have. This is the real machine, the rice cooker. This is the real motherfucker right here. And then we have plátano, onions, and the coffee maker machine. So that's it, man. Regular food that I like, that I can eat with no problem, hitting my macros, and that I can also get from outside. We're just gonna eat this shit and get it going.